and today I'm going to be showing you how to build your own custom spaceship. Oh, and also, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, share it with your friends. It does a lot to me. In next video, I'll be showing you how to build your custom gun and showing you, well, not really tell you how to build, but showing you the 1.3 mech design. Here is some of the items you're gonna need. Alright, now for the actual build. And now here's the final step for the spaceship. And now I'm gonna be starting spinning it around for you guys to have a good detail. Whoa, that was an absolute journey of making this thing. Alright, so here's the final step of my biggest creations ever. But it's not really the biggest creations, but it's the coolest plane I've ever done in my life. And I hope you enjoyed that video. And please share with your friends if you are a Lego fan. And show it to your family and friends. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and the notifications bell to see more videos. And I have so many ideas to share with you guys. And as always, peace.